Facebook ads not performing as expected? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you exactly what you need to test to make sure your ads are delivering the results you want. From creatives to audiences and everything in between. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about creatives. This is the visual content of your ad. Images, videos, carousels. The goal here is to catch the audience's attention. Test different formats like static images versus videos. Try various designs with different colors and styles. Don't forget to experiment with both product focused images and lifestyle shots that show your product in use. And if you're using videos, test different lengths, short form versus long form. Remember, the creative is the first thing your audience notices, so make it count. When you talk about creative source, so you can have two options, which is manual upload or catalog. Manual upload where you have to upload the creatives manually that you have. Otherwise, from the catalog, that is, Facebook pulls out the products from your website to show for the creatives in the ad. And the format, there are multiple formats, that is single image or video, that is if you are uploading a single image or a single video. Carousel, which is when you have more than two images. Then you use carousel so that the users can swipe through the creatives. And then there is collections, which is a group of items which opens up in a full screen mobile experience. And then there is flexible. Flexible is when Facebook uses the creatives and it will show in the format that they predict to perform the best. And when we talk more about creatives, then you can upload the media here and you can provide the primary text, the headlines, the description, and you can also choose from a variety of call to actions. Like there are multiple call to actions here. You can see there are many call to actions that you can choose from. Currently, it's in the shop now because this is a sales campaign. And then when you come down, there is one thing called Advantage plus Creative. This is one thing which can be used because in this, what happens is the Facebook uses your creative and enhances it by using the Facebook AI. So this is a feature which could be used for the enhancement of your creatives. That's all for the creative. Next, let's dive into audiences. Who are you targeting with your ads? This is one of the most important elements to test. You can test different demographics like age, gender, and location, or experiment with different interests and behaviors. Maybe your product resonates more with tech enthusiasts or fitness goals. And don't forget custom audiences. These are your website visitors or email subscribers, and you can even create lookalike based on this. By finding most responsive audience segments, you'll ensure you're spending your ad budget wisely. Now coming to audiences. So we can create audiences based on the website visitors, the pixel data which you have on your website, and the people that have engaged with your Facebook page. So there are multiple ways you can create audiences. You can also create retargeting audiences. First we obviously create cold audiences when where we target a broad variety of users, and then we can use that audiences to create more warm audiences who have already engaged with your ad or already have visited your website. You can use those people to create a custom audience, which then you can use to retarget them. So these are the different types of audiences that we have created for one of our clients, and you can see like estimated audience size here, and this is an audience based on the Facebook page engagement in the last 60 days. So this is a custom audience which was built upon the cold audience. And you have another one like this one, which is called lookalike audiences, which are based on another custom audience list, and we have created a lookalike audience based on that custom list, which are all those people who are similar to the people who have interacted with our website or the Facebook page. So these are the different types of audiences. There are initiate checkout, the people who have initiated checkouts, people who have added to cart, people who have initiated checkouts, and all those things. People who have engaged with Instagram, people who have engaged with Facebook, all website visitors. Like you can create multiple type of audiences and group them so that you can retarget them when needed. Now let's talk about headlines. This is the main text under your ad image or video, and it needs to grab attention and convey your message quickly. Try out short and punchy headlines versus long and more descriptive ones. Experiment with different ones, formal, casual, or even a bit humorous, and test different messaging angles like highlighting benefits, features, or a special offer. A strong headline can be the difference between a user scrolling past your ad or clicking on it. So don't underestimate this. Let's move on to call to actions or CTAs. This is a button that prompts users to take action like shop now or get offer. Test different CTAs to see which one resonates the most. Maybe get offer works better than shop now. Or maybe you need something more action oriented like buy now. Also experiment with the placement of your CTA on images, in carousel carts or below the ad. Finding the right CTA can significantly boost your conversion rate, so make sure to test thoroughly. Up next, we have placements. This is where your ads appear across Facebook network like the newsfeed, Instagram stories, or the audience network. You can choose manual placements to target specific spots or let Facebook handle it with Advantage Plus automatic placements. Testing these options help you understand where your ads perform best and gets the most engagement. Optimizing placements ensures your ad reaches the right people at the right time. To wrap it up, remember to test all these elements: creatives, audiences, headlines, CTAs, and placements. Data driven decisions are key to maximizing your ad performance and getting the most out of your ad spend. By testing systematically, you'll discover what works best for your specific audiences, reduce guesswork, and optimize your campaigns for success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more digital marketing tips. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And thanks for watching.